Since its inception, the Foundations of Science 101 course has continued to evolve and change to meet the maturing concept of the University Foundations program as well as the rapid growth of the university. Under administrative direction, the development of a hybrid version of the course is currently underway, with the hope that this delivery method will eventually become the standard delivery, with only a few sections of traditional face-to-face being offered each semester. In developing the hybrid delivery, the team decided to use this as an opportunity to unify the course as a whole, with the goal of producing a single course that could be delivered traditionally, in a blended environment, or online. Regardless of the delivery method, all the same course resources would be available to all instructors and students through ilearn. The following objectives have been identified for the course. First, students will be able to explain how science can be used as a tool to discover truth. Students will examine and make use of the scientific process, as well as evaluate the compatibility and complementary nature of science and religion. Second, students will demonstrate scientific literacy in the following areas: organization of the universe, chemistry, earth history, genetics and inheritance, and evolution. Finally, students will test their ability to make informed decisions with science-related issues and problems. Notice that the primary outcomes of the course are to focus on literacy in the scientific method and the application of this knowledge to make informed decisions. A secondary set of outcomes is to remediate fundamental knowledge in 4 major science fields. With this in mind, the course has 2 parallel but cohesive storylines that unfold throughout the semester. The first is the process of science, and the second is the unifying theories of these 4 major disciplines. Beginning with a 2-week module that serves as an overview of the scientific method and a presentation of the complementary nature of science and religion, the remaining semester is broken into 2-week units. Each unit consists of a portion of the scientific process which is illustrated by one of the unifying themes of science. For example, the scientific process of observation is taught by using examples from how the nature of light helps us to understand the universe. The second unit focuses on testing theories, using examples from chemistry. Unit 3 focuses on the role of community and peer review, using examples from geology. And Unit 4 deals with benefits and outcomes, with illustrations from biology. Each 2-week unit consists of online readings, videos, and activities designed to teach the core knowledge of that unit and prepare students to better participate in the in-class or group discussions and activities designed to deepen their understandings of the concepts. Students are expected to respond to a series of key questions that guide their reading and learning experience and help make sure that they are grasping the central concepts. While much of this online material will focus on the science content, it will always be tied back to and reinforce the science process component. Each unit will have an ever-growing list of possible enrichment modules, from which the students will be expected to complete 2 to 3. These modules will be designed by faculty across campus and from a broad range of disciplines, and will focus on key science processes. As students complete these enrichment experiences, they will create an expanding portfolio of their self-directed activities in the form of peer-reviewed reports and peer presentations. This portfolio will become an important evidence of their ability to apply the science process across a range of disciplines far beyond the scope of the 4 major sciences, and in real-life applications in the areas of their interest. Common assessment banks tied directly to course outcomes will be available to all instructors. Each instructor can choose to use a pre-established assessment for each module or create custom assessments more directly tailored to their classroom discussions and group activities, as long as the online material and each course objective is assessed. By sharing common assessments and requiring that each course outcome be assessed by each instructor, we will be able to better evaluate outcomes across all sections to help us determine if the course is providing the kind of experience that the university envisions for a Gateway Foundations course. Individual instructors can also use this information to determine strengths and weaknesses of their course delivery. This structure and organization will provide the critical uniformity necessary for this high-impact course, but has built-in flexibility which allows personalization by individual faculty. By inviting contributions of enrichment modules from across campus and across all disciplines, Foundations of Science 101 becomes a true university foundations course, deepening and enriching a student's university experience regardless of their major or program.